Welcome to TXPowersports.com. We're gonna show you how to assemble the TBR7. The first thing you do is take out the box.
To the frame on the bottom, it's gonna be a 14 socket and a 13, and it's gonna be just like this. Take them out. To take out the frame on the bottom, there is a 14 and a 13. Just like so. Just like so on all four bottoms. You're gonna have 10mm bolt on the top for the handlebars. And now you can be able to lift up the frame. Yeah. After taking off the frame on the bike and then all the plastic pieces that's around the bike and the front tire, you come right here and take off the handlebar, just like so. Just like so. And then take out the
we can show them that. And that one.
and this one will go,
The headlight cover.
the headlight cover will go right at the end. Your screws are already on the frame, on the bike. You take them off from right here and they'll go right on here, just like so. And then your wire will connect just on here, just like so.
And then this is your front fender and your front tire. You gotta take out.
Taking off the frame, after taking off everything, all the plastic pieces, you're gonna go ahead and put the frame on, the handlebars on there. And it's gonna be 10mm on both sides, and this is how it's gonna look. You're gonna go ahead and grab 4 of the screws. They're 8mm for the front fender, and it'll go just right here, just like so. You're gonna put the screws on all 4, just like so.
Next one, you gotta put the tire on, and
Next step will be your tire, and if you come close right here on the brake, there is this protector for it. Take it right off, and sometimes it's gonna come open. And if not, you can grab a flathead and squeeze it out, just like so. And what you're gonna do is pick up your tire. Make sure you're gonna have the
axle will go through the tire.
and your spacer will go right on this side right here where the disc is at. Pick it up, slide it in between the brake, and push your axle right through. And you're gonna come on the other side, bring your speedometer, place it right on here, and turn your shock, push the screw right through in there, and bring your bolt, place it on here, not all the way, not just yet, so you can put the Loctite. Make sure you always put the Loctite. And when you're ready to tie everything up, you hold this right here, the speedometer, because it moves. You hold it all the way back till it touches this place right here, and then you tie everything up. Next thing is you bring your headlight. Before you put the headlight on, make sure you take out the screws. It's going to be an 8 and a 10 on both sides. And what you do first is make sure you plug in the headlight all the way through, so this side is on the other side. tuck all your wires behind the headlight, and you bring it back. These right here will go right on these. You bring your screw, put it through here, and then your nut on the back. Tying it up will be an 8 and a 10 on the back of it.
So this is how it's gonna look fully assembled and tested. We do recommend that you guys choose that fully assembled and tested option. That way we can ship you fully assembled and tested. If you rather want to put it together yourself, you can. Just watch this video how to do that. Once again, thank you guys for buying at TX Power Sports. Any question you guys have, email us, sales@txpowersports.com, and then you will be taken care of from us. Thank you.